Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Please subscribe and like to our channel. In this video, I'm trying to tell you when you're trying to disk upgrade your Debian system using this command. Okay, and just for explanation, this means that I'm forcing it to download the upgrades unattended, okay, without being standing before the computer. So I want to the issue is I want to download the small sized packages, okay, then the big one packages. Like I want to download them sorted ascendingly, the ascending order, okay, from small sized packages to big sized packages, okay. And I'm trying to do this in order to maybe like make the download more efficient and faster, like by downloading the small sized packages, okay, using maybe later like here, just using this command one by one, okay. But I want to download them maybe using apt-axle instead of apt-get here, okay. So the small ones will be like multiple times. Then when you reach the sizes and a limit that you set later, this is not done here, okay, you will be like putting files which are huge in sizes, like less than more than 1 MB. They will go like one by one, okay, like small ones that are smaller than 1 MB, let them go quickly, okay, like maybe 3 or 2 at a time, okay. Now this way we need to know the size of each package. This way we need to know what are the packages that are gonna be upgradable, okay, and then sort the list of upgradable packages, okay. Now as usual, of course, we have to do apt update. If app update gives me this app list upgradable, I did not do this in the script, but you can like develop the script more, okay. If the script gives me app list upgradable command in the output, this means I can upgrade the system, okay. Now if I use the command app list upgradable, it will give me in the output something like this, okay, something like this in this format, listing done plus those lines, something in this format. Like wherever you see the word webmin, this here this field has the packet name, and whatever after the forward slash, this slash is the status or the state or the situation of the package, which version it is, stable, not stable, yada yada, okay, etc, blah blah. So what you have to do is extract the package names, which as we said they come as the first field. If we make the delimiter here in this table, if you want to say, okay, this is, consider this as a table, okay, where the delimiter and the table is a table of 2 columns, where the delimiter between each column is the forward slash, okay. So I have to extract wherever you see the word webmin, okay, but it's not just about the word webmin. As I said, it's just any package name comes before the forward slash. Then we can go, okay, using yeah, so in order to before we get the sizes, this is how we get the list. So upgrade the list upgradable like this, send it to tail to n-1 plus 2, because like this line, listing done as we see here, must be omitted. So I have to this is indexed as number 1, not 0, 1, and this is indexed as number 2. This is next one is 3, 4, 5, as so, okay. So 1 here, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, the line number. Forgot about this. This is not needed, okay. Now then using the send the output of the list, okay, starting from here, okay, like this is the highlighted list, and so on, so on, okay, to the cut command in order to extract the words where webmin word is located, okay, or on that side, okay, all the highlighted side, okay, and each one will go into a single word. Then yeah, here this command alone, okay, is here up to here with this with the code, okay. Like if you replace the dollar packages with a list like similar to this one, for example, like a list of this package names like this, okay, it will give you the this output, okay, and they are unsorted, which means that this is the anything before the semicolon here, anything before the semicolon here will be the package size, okay, and after the semicolon is the package name, okay. So yeah, so then we have to sort them out according to their package sizes. This one will do it for you. Like just for more explanation, as we see, the delimiter here is semicolon, okay, here the semicolon here, and here is telling you -k 1n, okay, means sort them out or put them in order, in ascending order, okay, like so, okay, where 1n means this is sort this field, this is the first field, 1 here is the first field, okay, the one in here, and 1n, okay, is the first field unsorted numerically, and everything will be joined with it, okay, like each line will go with it, okay. And then we have to take the second field. This one will do the extraction of the second field, so we will get them all without the numbers, okay. So let's say I'm gonna take the unsorted ones because it's important. So in the selection, let's say regular expression, okay, I think here and dot star, okay, and I'm gonna replace all. So I'll give you only the pack. Forget about this one; it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna get something like this. Okay, I'm gonna get something like this, the list. Okay, and this list will be something like we saw, and like let's go back. Okay, so each one, okay, using the for loop, okay, because I collected all the list in this variable. Okay, so each one will be downloaded, okay, and without like also unattended, just download, don't care, just download whatever it's the case of that or the situation of that package, just download it, because I'm just upgrading, okay, I'm upgrading the whole system, okay. But there's one thing you're gonna face, which is sometimes you're gonna face something like this, okay. It will tell you at the end that please use apt auto remove, please use apt auto remove, okay, to uninstall those unused packages. As you see, it's they are no longer required, they're not required anymore. But even though, okay, don't use it, okay, because it might hurt the system, okay. And just to suppress it, okay, go to this file path. If it's not existing, just open it, make a one, and add this this line, okay, from apt up to the semicolon, okay. Or you can just write this whole command and it will be done for you. Of course, run as root, okay. This way we are done. Okay. What else? If there's something I forgot. Okay, I don't think there's something I forgot. Okay, but regarding the like references, I use this article and this article. Okay, this one here to get the package sizes, and this one here is to see how to suppress the error. Okay, and that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like our channel, like I said. Okay, and don't forget to browse our channel for more information. Okay, thanks.